Okay, so on this, okay, welcome back and watch to the end. Okay, this now is a bearish divergence. So, okay, I started with 30 minutes. Yes, so when you zoom in, that's 30 minutes. Let's go to 1 hour because there are a couple of divergences dropping. You see, yeah. So when you see something like that, hmm, you just upgrade to a bit higher time frame. 1 hour. That is 1 hour. Okay, let's go to 4 hours. 4 hours, it's a range a bit complicated, but if I pull this up from this one to here, that's a complete divergence. Yes, but we want to look at the recent. Remember, divergence is not a complete strategy on its own. You should know that it's not. Don't be lied to. You need an extra confidence, either a QM, or at the second touch of the divergence you see a engulfing candle. That's a clear one. But if you see that engulfing candle, inside it, if you zoom it, you will find a QM. Yeah, it's like that. And at times you'll find that that QM won't be touched, or it's not a complete QM, but price will drop. Reason being, the candlestick psychology of engulfing. That it's a strong confirmation for sell. You cannot take any candle and make it an engulfing. No, it must be at an area of interest, either at a support or resistance, supply or demand, or a fair value gap point. Yeah. So here, for example, you see price is at resistance. All those trades I've shown previously, price is at resistance or support. You should be careful. Don't take any divergence. You can take a divergence at an imbalance. That's good. Yeah, that's supply and demand or support and resistance. It's good. Okay. So here, you see, let's use 4 hour like that. Zoom in to 15 minutes. Just follow as I've said. If you zoom into 15 minutes, what do you see? This one, I have marked it. This one is the QM. Why? Because it formed this high, low, higher high, then a lower low. You see, it broke this, we need to form a lower low like that. Then price retested. It did not wait for two. It just retested. Simple. You see, and it did not retest with a very strong upward movement. No, corrective wave, just like this, small, small. Huh? Then why did it reverse at this point? Reason being, this fair value gap here. You see, this FPG. Reason why I had set my sell limit above here. It's because I expected price to come here and tap and reverse. I expected a sniper, by the way, but no, price failed. Yeah, even if there is a FEG here, price can come and tap at the top of the small minor QM. This can be a 5 minute QM here and reverse, but it did not. If you now I missed this entry just like that, but it's not a big deal. I had US 100. US 100 was a win for me, so it's not a very big deal. So you see, price came back, tapped here, and retested. Now you see this is 15-minute time frame, and we are using the 4 hour. You see, divergence. So if you use 4 hour divergence, remember your TP1 should be this support. You get it? So this support here, like that. So if you can hold it to TP2, this can be your next TP2, like that, or next TP3, but I don't usually hold it to TP3, like that. So you hold it like that. Okay, now TP1 is it, TP2 waiting, TP3 maybe. Yeah, you know why I've set TP2 and TP3? Because divergence started here, you see, from this point to this point. So as the rule, this can be the let's say TP, this support, yes, but this is the main support for divergence. So this can be your TP1 and this can be TP2. So I'm expecting price to from this point going down the way to this point, like this, you see, up to that point. Yeah, so that's it. So you will be looking for QMC. Yeah, so if price taps this support here, this one can go up to this QMC. You know, I'm expecting price to form. I'm just doing future movements prediction, but I'm not really sure about it because I don't control the market. So like that. So if price taps there, no. If price taps that QMC level, I'm expecting a move to break this support and tap it like that. So let me show you. So I'm expecting to tap that support, come back to this point, then sell, shock like that. Or you can find it will just continue going up because of this inverse fair value gap here. So price might come back and tap this one because there is another zone here. You see that one there. Yeah, so I'm expecting price to drop that from that zone, okay, like that. It can sell to this point. If I go to minutes to 1 hour, divergence is still there. You see, you can draw from this side to this side or from here to here. Yeah, just draw at the recent divergence. And remember, the Osam oscillator should align. You see, like this. So if it tapped here and the Osam oscillator went back and surpassed this, I can draw now from this point to this point, like this. So you draw it like that. This is 1 hour. Now we are from 1 hour. I'm showing you how they align, okay? And then you draw from that one to that one. Now you go and look for 5 minutes QM, okay? So like that. And where is that 5 minute QM at? The place where I set my limit, you see? But it did not, price did not come back here. And you see there is a fair value gap which has not been taken, okay? Yeah, so it's like that. Let me show you price. Where did price reverse at this point? It did not tap into my QM. Price reversed at this point. Yeah, so I don't know if price will come back here, activate and continue sales massively. I'm not sure of it, so we will have to wait. So that's it. Thank you.